Good morning. This is Math 6-5, Lesson 106, dividing fractions, and we'll be using those reciprocals you learned in Lesson 105, was it? So reciprocals, again, are where you take the fraction and flip it over. Okay, we don't want to change that because we're going to be using it in this format. So if you were changing it to a mixed number, that's good if this were your answer for something, but we're not using this as our answer. We're going to be using it to divide fractions. So let's look at 1/2 divided by 2/3. Now this is one that's a little hard to do if we've been using our how much of 2/3 are in 1/2, and it's quite complicated to do. So what we're going to do instead is use this formula where we're going to keep this as 1/2. We're going to change this to a multiplication symbol, and then we're going to use the reciprocal or flip it. So we're going to keep, change, flip. Keep saying that to yourself. Keep, change, flip. So then we end up with 1/2 times 3/2, which is 3/4. Okay? So again, keep saying to yourself, keep, change, and flip. Okay, so let's do it with this one. 2/3 divided by 1/2. So 2/3 we're going to keep as 2/3. The division is going to become a multiplication, and then we're going to take the reciprocal or flip it. So keep, change, flip. And what do we get? 2/3 times 2/1 is 4/3. Now in this case, since this is the answer, we can change this improper fraction to a mixed number. 4 divided by 3 is 1, with 1 left over out of the 3. So if you want to see me do that out, 4 divided by 3, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 left over out of 3, 1 1/3. So keep, change, flip. Okay, let's do one more where we have a whole number. What do we do if we have a whole number? If you remember, this can be made into a fraction, just like any other whole number. You just put the whole number over 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So that can be used as a fraction. Now we kept the 2 as a 2, and we're going to change this to a multiplication symbol and flip the 2/3 to be 3/2. So keep, change, flip is how we do division of fractions now. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 2 is 2. Again, this is now an improper fraction. It is our answer, so we need to change it into a mixed number, or in this case, a whole number. The answer is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 2 divided by 2/3 is 3. Okay, if you have any questions, I will be on the Discord.